Okay, here's some cutting exercises. This is an exercise that I put together. It will help you to practice cutting along edges. Just stick some masking tape to the wall before you start painting, load your brush and start at the top. Drag the brush down slowly. The aim is to get as close as you can to the tape, but not touching the tape. When the paint runs out, load the brush and start on top of the last stroke. Move the brush towards the tape and cut in along the edge again and continue down. Practice cutting under, over, next to, on the left side and the right side. If you do this often, you'll never have to tape up door frames, windowsills, ceilings or skirting. This exercise will help you to improve each time you do it, so practice often. Once you have finished the first block, do the same in the second block. Don't rush this part, and if you breathe slowly, it helps you to stay steady. Here's a great tip that can help you. If you feel a bit unsteady or find it difficult to get that brush moving in a straight line, use your pinky. Press it gently against the wall to steady yourself as you paint. Some find this helps a lot. When you're finished, simply remove the tape, feather the rectangular shapes and paint over it. Each wall is a free practice canvas. Thanks so much for watching this video. Remember, practice this skill, it will save you time, touch-ups and loads of masking tape. So do it often. Please like and subscribe and watch the Cutting Edges video by clicking the link on the screen now.